So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how to code a code program and how to execute the program in a simple way. First we have to go to new class and then we have to type first. You can type whatever you want. Then you are going to double click on this. A page will get open. Then you have to Control plus A and then close everything. Now we'll write public class test. After public class test, we have to open a flower bracket. After opening a flower bracket, go to the another line and type void my method. The codes are available in the description. You can copy from there also. Now open a bracket. Then again enter. Again enter. Now you have to write. Again you have to open a flower bracket. And then now we have to write int. Int means integer. Now this will be our program, simple program. Now we have to put a semicolon for the end, to end the line. Now we have to give values for the number. We'll put num1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can give 4 digits only. Now num2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to put the value for num3. Num3 is equal to, you can put any random numbers for the values. I'll put again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the end we have to put sum is equal to num1 plus sum is equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. And put a semicolon. Now for the output we have to type system output S capital system dot output out print ln print align. Now again a bracket, type double inverted commas 3 given numbers are 3 given numbers are. Now put a column and then double comma and close the bracket. At the end we have to put semicolon again and enter. Now the third line, system or same. Now here we have to type num1 space comma. Now we have to type num1. Close the bracket. Leave space in between the brackets. Now before ending the line we have to again put a column. Again enter, then again system, again put a column, here num2 and again semicolon, and enter. Now again system, again brackets and num3 and close the bracket and another semicolon. If you don't put the semicolon it will be an error. Now again now there is a difference. Put a bracket and type in the double inverted comma sum. S should be capital. Sum plus sum. Sum is equal to again double quote space plus sum. Now small s, again bracket and semicolon. That's all. Now compile the text. Now put your semicolon. Don't forget to put your semicolon or else it will be an error. Put your space. Now compile. Here put a single. Be careful while typing the codes. If it becomes green then it's correct. Now click Ctrl K. The last arrow is there, so we have to close the bracket. Put at the last. Now it's perfect. We'll compile. There is no error, so we can run our project. So just click on close. Now how to execute the program? We have to just open, compile once again for your own purpose. Now convert to string. Create a test class. Click on this. Now it will come again like this. Click here. This is your final product or result. Now double click on this. Right click on this again and open void. You will get BlueJ terminal window for your test. Our answer is totally correct. If you want, we can check the answer also. We'll just check up the answer for. The answer is correct. So this will be first example for your module. How to code. So this much for today. We'll meet in a new video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye.